Now let me introduce KINO Smart Parking Meter. You can see this is the LCD display, and this is the card reader, IC card reader. This is the coin acceptor and keypad, and this instruction for how to operate this machine. And this indicate what's the denomination this machine can accept. And here is the receipt output. So after payment and receipt will be printed, and this is the coin return. Yeah. Okay, now let me show you how to operate. Enter parking space number. You can enter any parking space number. Okay. Okay, the minutes you want to park. For example, 10 minutes. Okay, next step. Next step. And press 1 to use IC card, press 2 to use coin. We press 1. Okay, swipe smart card. Okay, successful payment.